Today we're going to cover the new MiniMax Code desktop application along with MiniMax M3, a super cheap but very capable model straight out of China. So in this video I'm going to show you how this is a competitor to Cloud Code and Codex from OpenAI, but insanely cheaper, nearly 90%. So first of all, I want to talk about the two tools. So the first one is the MiniMax Code. This is essentially a coding workspace, an IDE, a chat interface where you interact with the agent, you perform edits on code bases, you can do tasks like making websites, making presentations, making videos, making everything you want. And also, this is powered by the latest MiniMax model, MiniMax M3, which is one of the best models out there at an affordable price. And literally, what you're going to see today is insane stuff. Did you see the intro video that played just right before? This was made with hyperframes using MiniMax M3 inside MiniMax Code. I will show you more later on. We were also able to create this landing page one shot with the M3 model just by using the front-end design skill that we found from the interface. And this is pretty incredible because my usage on the Max plan, which costs $50 per month, is just 3%, and I've been using it for the whole day, which is pretty insane in all honesty. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that MiniMax M3 is a very good model. We've seen it also in previous videos, but today we're going to see it again. The company has come out with pay as you go, which is essentially the API, you pay per token, and the price is very aggressive. They have a permanent 50% off. Literally, to use MiniMax M3, you're paying $1.2 per million tokens for small context and $2.4 per million tokens when you got a context of over 500k tokens. This is pretty aggressive pricing, literally 90 to 95% cheaper than GPT 5.5 and Opus 4.8. Also, they got a token plan that gives you so many tokens every single month. I got the max plan with 5 billion tokens per month of M3 usage, which is insane. I cannot even, I should be coding the whole day with multiple agents to eat up all of this usage. It's absolutely insane. Like, they're pricing so aggressively, and just now they brought MiniMax Code. This is a competitor to Codex, looks a lot like Codex, looks a lot like Cloud Code. It works on Mac OS and Windows, and it is insane. You already seen the hyperframes video, you've seen this beautiful landing page with the skill. It's levels ahead, and I will drop all of the links in the description if you want to check it out. So this is how MiniMax Code looks. First of all, on the left side, you are going to find your projects, and we're going to cover more details in a little bit. You can add a new task by clicking here. You can search across your different projects, and you got these skills. These skills are very good. I've tested a lot of them, and they're really creating amazing quality. If you want to see more with MiniMax M3, just let me know down below. But I've used some of these skills, for example, the landing page builder, the front-end design. As well, I also created a hyperframes skill automatically by just telling the model that I want to create a skill for hyperframes. It created it, and now when I click on the plus sign, skills, manage skills, I can see all of my skills, and I got this Mavis hyperframe skills. I got a lot of other skills that help me do these videos even more beautiful, give you very good visuals to help you understand the process. And yeah, you should absolutely be using the skills over here. You can also connect your mobile so you can chat with the agent through your mobile phone. You can create scheduled tasks that will run on your computer at the time you set it. You just give it a name, the instructions, and when to trigger, and you're good to go. So this model is very cheap. They're pricing very aggressively, and I gotta say, I really enjoyed it. Today, they brought the thinking mode on, which is amazing, and you can also use the older models. For example, they've got M2.7 high speed. I think M3 is going to get high speed very soon, because because completely honestly, one of the things that I don't really like is that it's very, very slow. So you need to work with multiple agents on this. However, the quality is really, really amazing. Like, especially for the video, especially for the website, I was amazed by the result, and it was so easy to make. Like, it was literally one prompt to set up the skill, which was done automatically by clicking the skill, and then I just gave it this prompt for a transformer teaching web page, which I want to show you now. So it created this page that teaches transformer models. So let's check out what it did. Here it shows us attention, how it works on RNNs versus the transformers, and you can see here the visualization and the speed. Here you can see essentially how dimensions work, and I think this response actually is not good. I think something is missing, something is wrong here, something is not quite working, which is really strange to me. This is a bad result, to be completely honest. However, this website, which was also created by MiniMax and MiniMax code, was insane. Like, this was very good, and these images were generated by MiniMax. I didn't do anything. This is the power actually of MiniMax, that they've got models for video, because here you can see the background has a small video playing on repeat with a small zoom. This was actually done by their Hailuo models, if I'm not mistaken. So they've got the whole stack. They've got images, they've got videos, now they got the coder, they got a very cheap model, everything works interconnected. They got a very good skills website, which is pretty amazing. And also they've got memory, which is also very nice to see. Now, this is a very new release. So of course there are a lot of bugs and issues, and the speed is not great yet, but I think it has very high potential. And if you're really looking for a plan that gives you loads of tokens to use for medium to low difficulty tasks, this I think is one of the best offers, especially if you use AI every single day and you want to do a lot of tasks. Like, I've seen some very good results with it, and I see here that there is this agent team, so you can actually go ahead and create an agent. This is pretty amazing. I really need to look more into it, but yeah, this is essentially how MiniMax Code is, direct competitor to Codex and Cloud Code, and you get a lot more usage. Like, I'm meeting my Codex limits nowadays, and I would eat all of like 20% of my Codex limits in a single day, while here I ate just 3%. I literally have so much more usage that I don't know what to do it literally with a max plan. Like, I've done like 10 tasks today, 10 different projects that took loads of millions overall, and still I got so much quota that resets in 6 days. Like, if you're building a lot and you don't have a lot of funds, I would suggest that you at least give it a look, and maybe the smartest option is getting the $20 token plan. Like, maybe this is the smartest option you can do, because it's going to give you so much usage and you could build all of your easy tasks with it. So this is my opinion of MiniMax Code and MiniMax M3. The more I work with the models, the more I understand it. And to be completely honest with you, today, before I did this video, I actually did the update, and the thinking model works a lot better than it did previously without thinking. So this is a positive. When they bring the high-speed model, it's going to be even more insane. So yeah, it has also computer use if you want to turn it on. So it can use your computer. It can summarize, do deep research. You can add files and photos. Literally, there are so many things that you can do. So I'm really excited for this, because this is what I really like. I really want very cheap intelligence. And this could be possibly a very good model to power Hermes and OpenClaw agents. If you want to see Hermes videos, let me know. I will bring you something. And this is my review of MiniMax Code at its current state and MiniMax M3. Really loved it, and I will see you on the next video.